All right, guys, I know it's Saturday. I'm doing a quick review for where I'm projecting for this upcoming week. So you have to remember that for this upcoming week, Halloween doesn't do anything. Halloween's not a national holiday. That's on Wednesday. But Friday we have non-farm payroll. So be prepared because it is non-farm payroll week for this upcoming week here. So I'm doing an earlier analysis so you guys get to see where my predictions are gonna fall in line, and the analysis for non-farm payroll for NFP. So we are gonna drop in on the weekly chart. Remember that I always look at the weekly chart because the weekly candle of where the weekly candle is closing. Based on the US dollar, I expect to sell the US dollar going back down under 96. So what I'm looking for is this is already closing at the same line of where the previous high here. You can see the wick, this wick as well. I know it is a bullish candle, and it broke this line of resistance here, okay? Because it sat here for 3 weeks, the previous 3 weeks here. But I'm expecting to sell the US dollar as a retracement candle, as a bear candle going down, closing down, probably either at 96 or under 96. So I don't expect too much, but that's what I see right now. Gold is still on this bullish momentum. So you can see all the bear candles going down. And then this looks like you just want to come back to 1300. That would be a long-term swing for 1300 by the end of the year here. But first one to break through, I would be looking for gold for 1250 right here. Exactly the price would be, let me see here. Exactly the price would be 1254.90. This is on the weekly chart. Oh, let's see here. New Zealand. I'm expecting for New Zealand to retrace back up, probably to 66 cents here by the end of the week for non-farm payroll. Australia, I'm expecting Australia to retrace back to maybe 72 cents here. Let's see what else I want to show you guys. Euro. You can see Euro, how this came down, didn't close below this price. You can see how this price meets up with this one, this previous structure here at 114. So I'm expecting it to bounce back to 115 at the end of the week. The pound, I'm expecting the pound to do a retracement back to 129, maybe 130 by the end of the week, depending on how volatile the pound is for this week. Let's see what else. USD JPY, this is my indication of selling it. I'm looking for it to sell back to 111, breaks 111, then I'm looking for 110. Well, let's see. USD Swiss franc. USD Swiss franc did not close above $1. You can see the closing of 99.696 here on the weekly, right here. So if it was to close above $1, then I would keep going on the buy. But that's not the case right now. So I'm expecting it to bear down back to 99 cents and maybe 98.5 at the end of the week, depending on how volatile USD Swiss franc is. USD CAD, let me take this. Well, I'm treating this as a spinning top candle and then looking for it to puncture down back to 1285 for a swing. Because I don't care how much it retraced back up, it did not close above previous highs here. So even though it did a massive massive retracement at 1285 here a couple weeks ago. Went all the way back up and then closed like this. I'm looking for it to send it back down again. And then that's it. That's all I got. Because what you see, because I'm just trying to give you guys a little insight here. Based on candlestick structure, is basically saying the same previous high here, closed right exactly at the previous high at this 96.32 area. And I'm looking for it to retrace back down, back to maybe 95.5 at the end of the week, depending on how strong the sell is for the US dollar for this week. But I'm looking for it to come down to 96. So we might, like I said, we might end up having, even if it's a very volatile week, the candle might end up just being a doji candle, or maybe like an inverted bearish pin, or like a either a doji candle or like a bearish pin hammer type of candle. So nothing like, I'm not like, you can't like expect too much for like a long candle. So that's not what I'm expecting for this week. We could probably see up and down. We could probably see the candle going up and down, fluctuating a lot throughout the whole week because it's non-farm payroll. And for this week, we have a lot of high impact news for this week. So just counting off the high impact news, I'm gonna count this off. Starting Monday, we only have one, right? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 high impact news already by Wednesday. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42 high impact news for this upcoming week, starting Monday. So you gotta be very, very careful where the retracements are gonna happen. You gotta be careful during London sessions and New York sessions, especially New York sessions, because the overlap of London with New York, you're probably gonna see a bunch of retracements, and you have to expect that if you're gonna swing from session to session, you might end up either breaking even or just losing. So there are gonna be a couple pairs we could swing on, but more than likely it's probably just end up being a scalping week. So be prepared for that. We have, like I said, you gotta be prepared what's gonna happen on Sunday. Sunday's gonna give you that direction, and then when London kicks in, you're gonna see another direction, and then when New York kicks in, you gotta be ready where New York's gonna try and drive these pairs. So be very careful. But so far, I'm expecting to sell the dollar for the week, and I'm expecting non-farm payroll. I don't care if non-farm payroll is good. I still plan on selling the dollar. So even if it's a good spike for the dollar, like I said, I still don't plan on buying the dollar for this week. But that is just my quick analysis on the here on what I see for the upcoming week here, especially for non-farm payroll, and what are the outcomes of what I'm predicting.